Yes, good morning to everybody. And only the two classes are left over there. After this class, only one class would be left over. Then I don't know when you could do the mock trial. But anyway, that what I posted on the screen, can anybody will tell me? Immediate.
It is in a small children's playing, sir. That
Yes,
is in the
please.
park, sir.
No, what is the name? Name of the play. That is the instrument.
Sir, pass on, sir.
Yes, anyone? Okay, that is called merry go round. Merry, MERRY, merry hyphen go hyphen round, ROUND round, like this. Earlier we used to have the elephants and camels, horses, the merry go round. What about this one? Anyone? Immediate. If you know it, you tell me. If not,
Seesaw, sir.
pass on.
Seesaw, sir.
Yes, seesaw. Very good. What about this one? If you know it, you tell me. If not, you say pass on.
Pass on, sir.
Slopes. Those are called slopes. Yes. What about this one? Sir, తెలుసా ఉయ్యాల sir.
Swing, sir. Swing.
Say in English.
Swing.
Yes, either you can say swings or you can say, generally we don't say the cradle. Cradle is different because the children where you can make it. Yes, quick up because today that I want to finish off as much as I can and the maxims that we are dealing it. Yes, we are here up to this maxim and this maxim is amicus curiae means court friend and we did, I think this we did it. Yes, court friend, enemy of the court, friend found in the court and friend of the court. Yes, which one is the right answer?
Option 1 is the right answer.
Please, second option that I am giving you.
Sir, option 2, enemy of the court.
Amiska Kuri never would be like that. Is the friend of the court. That is the answer. Because I have shown also even the feedback. A person who offers information to the court regarding the case before it is amicus curiae is a friend of the court. Friend of the court. It is there. Yes, bona fide means in bad faith, in good faith, in worst faith, in correction of faith. Which one is the right answer?
Option 2,
Bonafide.
in good faith.
In good
Option
faith is the
two.
right answer. Yes, it is good faith is the right answer. Yes, Shashwarari means yes, to be appointed, to be promoted, to be surprised, to be apprised. Answer. Say pass on. Anyone?
Sir, to be appointed, sir.
To be apprised, that is the right answer. A type of that is seeking the judicial review. That is the appraisal that is called a judicial review. Okay. Donatio Martis Casa. There is a deathbed present, deathbed award, deathbed gift, deathbed trophy. You cannot use the loose words in the legal terminology. Whatever they say, call spade is spade only. The right answer is deathbed gift. That is a donatio Martis Casa is a deathbed gift. That is the right answer. Uxar means, because I several times I told you that Uxar. Sister, sister-in-law, mother, wife. When I was discussing that, I told you that my Uxar will deal now. See, I have given the hint also. I don't know why you are not giving, why you are silent. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You don't lose the marks.
White, sir.
Why you are taking so much time? Sir, it is taking time to search in the smartphone, sir. That's why I could give the answer late, sir. Okay. Ferrari nature. See, when you don't know, don't waste the time. When you don't know exactly, don't waste the time. Use your sixth sense and give the answer. Ferrari nature. Mild animals by nature, solid animals by nature, wild animals by nature, kind animals by nature. I will give the examples. Tiger, leopard, cheetah, jaguar. All
Sir, option 3, sir.
option
Wild
3.
animals by nature.
Wild animals by nature. It is only the when I give the options, I mean, I give the example that you are in a position to give the answer. Okay, it doesn't matter. Ipso facto, by the fact itself, by the law itself, for the fact itself, to the fact itself.
Option
Sir,
1.
option 2 by the law itself.
Option 1, by the fact itself, used in the context that one event is direct and immediate consequence of another in and of all itself. Ipso facto, by the fact itself. Yeah, just gentium. Rule of nations, regulation of nations, law of country. Just use your brain, just IQ, your sharpness, intuition. Just means law. So now you can eliminate 2. Yes, after 2, 3, 4, you can select it. Oh, you're taking that much time. After 3 and 4, you can select it. You can say anyone.
Law of country, sir.
No, law of the nations. There is no law of country. Law of the nations should be there. United Nations, United Country is not there. Because that's why I told you legal terminology, specific terms can be used over there. Okay, the feedback, customary law. The followed by the all nations, nations being that is peace with one another without having actual peace treaty in force. So that's why we'll say abbreviation VIZ. It's not an acronym because acronym I have already given. Acronym means every word first letter will be taken together without any punctuation. Yes, that VIZ, viz. Sir, we know, sir, but we don't know what is the Latin terminology, sir, because it is very close to it. So it is difficult for us to, and we are now searching in the smartphone, sir, and we will give you the answer soon, sir. Answer is number 1. VIDELICET. 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 That is the abbreviation for the namely or more formal terms. Yes. Ultravirus. It's an easy question. Before the powers, beyond the rights, beyond the powers, against the powers. It's an easy question. I don't think that it will take a lot of time. Yes. Don't be silent even though it is wrong. Doesn't matter. Make a shoot in the air. Even though it does not hit that
Force
bullseye.
against the power.
Repeat.
Sir, option 4 against the power.
Beyond the powers, that is the right answer. Then act requires a legal authority to perform, but which is done without obtaining that authority. Yes, in the insurance, this is very much useful terminology. Uberrima fights. Uberrima fights. Most abundant fight. Most excess faith. Most extra faith. Most and more faith. Because the two parties, insurer and insured, should have the operon fight. They did not hide any fact. Now you tell me, which one is the right answer? Most abundant faith. That is the number 1 option is the right. Operon fight is. Yes. Suo moto. Yes, this is a very nice word, suo moto. Because human right, that is the Telangana State Human Rights Commission has a suo moto issued a letter to the SP to know about the Dalit girl rape, gang rape in Khammam. Yeah, now to its own motion, for its own motion, on its own motion, for its own motion. Which one is the right answer?
Option 3 is the right answer.
For its own motion. That is the right answer. Suo moto, for its own motion. Okay. Sui juris means of his own obligation, of his own right, of his own duty, or of his own right. See the of his own right repeated twice. Repeated. I should not say twice. Twice itself repeated. No, not repeated, because here is on his own right, there is of his own right. The right answer is of his own right is the right answer. Sui juris.
On his own right, sir.
of his own right is the second option is the right option for the 43 questions sui juris. Next 44 question, it is sub judice. Beneath the judge, under the judge, upon the judge, around the judge. Make a trial, doesn't matter. You are not losing the marks, you are not losing the dollars, you are not losing the rupee.
Sir, option 2, under the judge.
Under the judge is the right answer for that one. Status quo. This is a very easy terminology and mostly used terminology. Please maintain the status quo. Keep it as it is. Before filing the case, it was there. So, the estate in which, the state upon which, the state in which, the state on which. Suppose if you raise your fencing wall more over 12 feet height. Earlier it is only 6 feet height. So the court will give the order and status quo should be maintained. Means what was that before the filing it? What was the wall size? 6 feet. It should be maintained. Status quo should be maintained. That is the court will give the order. Now you tell me. The state in which, that is the third option. The state in which, that is the third option. Stare decisis, yes. See, we will decide the case law, Keshavanda Bharati case law. Why? Because we cannot change everything. The framework of the constitutional, the salient feature should be maintained. So that is stare decisis. Now you tell me, stand by thing decided, stand in thing decided, to stand by decided, to stand on decided. Sorry, you put stand in, stand by, stand out, stand on, stand upon, and the stand. It is difficult for us. If you know the meaning of the stare decisis, then you do know, out of 4 we can select it. Stand by, things decided. That is the option number 1 is the right answer. Stare decisis. Stare decisis means precedents. Precedent. I repeat, Precedent. Precedent means the cases which are already decided over there, the old cases can be referred to use the present cases when the facts of the case is the same like the old case. So that is a precedent. Yes. What does the Latin sine qua non mean? Sine qua non mean, number 1, which without not. Number 2, without it not. Number 3, without what not. Number 4, without which not. The answer is, even though it is wrong, you can fire. Even though it doesn't hit the target, bullseye.
Sir,
Number 2, that is a without
option
it
4.
not. Number 2, without it not for the 47
Option
question answer. Yes, 48 question signed die. The schools are opened signed die. Within time, without day, with day, without time. See, I told you already, legal terminology is not loose terminology. You cannot use the time to day, day to time, and you should use day to day and time to time. Signed die. The option is without day, means without specifying the day. That is the without day. That is the second option is the right option for that regard. Yes, in the 5 types of the writ, one of the writ is quo warranto. 49th question, quo warranto. Number 1, by what warrant? Number 2, by which warrant? By number 3, by what warrant? Number 4, for what warrant? Quo warranto. Even though it is a wrong, I told you, don't waste the time. You hit it, doesn't matter. Sometimes you will be a loser, sometimes you are a winner. The answer is option 3, by what warrant?
Option 4, sir.
Option 3, that is by what warrant, is the answer for the 49th question, quo warranto. Then 50 question, quantum merit. Okay, I will give an example to you. If your work will be done and will be paid 10,000 for 10 days you have to work. But that fellow worked only 5 days. Then how much amount will be given to him? That is called quantum merit. How much he deserves, as how much she deserves, as how much as it deserves, as much as they deserve. The right answer is, yes, anyone? I told you, even though it is wrong, you can say the answer, because sometimes it may hit right also. That is the reason that I told you. గాలిలో బాణం
Sir,
వదిలేయండి.
as much as it is, sir, as much as it is.
No, the right answer is 3. As much as it deserves. Not it deserves, it is. It is it deserves, as much as it deserves. Not he deserves, she deserves, they deserve, we deserve. No, as much as it deserves. That is the right answer. Then 51 question. What is in the Latin? The king can do no wrong. In the Latin terminology, sometimes they may ask in that also. What is a king can do no wrong? Regina non potestas peccare, Cuminum non potestas peccare, res non potestas peccare, carpa non potestas peccare. Which is the right answer? See, I told you that rex means king. I told you already rex means king. Now which is the answer? See, I have given the hint to you. Why you are taking that much time? I have given the hint to you. Why you are taking that much time? Rex means king. Now you tell me, which is the right answer among the 4?
Option three, sir.
Option? Of course, I have not numbered
Option
here. It is 1. Okay. This is 2. Then which is the option? Tell me.
3.
I told you also Rex means king, but still you are taking. Option is 3.
1.
Rex means king, I told you. Then how could be 1? Regina means queen. So option 3, Rex non potestas peccare, that is the thing which will be there. Now I will switch out to the another point where the judgments are there. Of course, before judgments we can go to this one. Yes, now ready. Part B, of course, part B we dealt with some of them in middle. But again, I collected over here that I would like to go through it. First question. 17 July is Dash Day. Tell me, World Emoji Day, International Women's Day, World Environmental Day, and International Literacy Day, and what day it is? See, already that we discussed this thing. It's a World Emoji Day that we discussed. Of course, it goes with also International Court of Justice Day also, International Justice Day also. Okay, now next, because July and World Day of the International Justice. Yes, 17 July every year. Yes, what is the 10th July? Sorry, 10th December. I don't think it will take the long time to make it. 10th December. What are the options?
Women's rights. Option 3.
Option 3. It is not a World AIDS Day. Option 3, Human Rights Day, or not World Teachers Day. The option 3 is the 10th December. Every year we will commemorate. What about the 8th December? Sorry, 8th September. International Day of the Democracy, International Literacy Day, World Ocean Day, or World Art Day? Definitely 1 or 2 questions will be asked in the days. Definitely 1 question, no doubt at all. So 8th September is International Literacy Day. So now I think this is very easy. Yeah, read this one. Please read. 4th question, read. Anyone unmute and read? Anyone unmute and read? What is the 4th question? Anyone unmute and read? What is the 4th question?
Constitution Day is celebrated every year on
6 November.
option 1, 6 January, 2, 26 September. Option 3, 26 October. Option 4, 26 November.
Yes, some
26th November.
you hope
26th
you can
January.
the answer. Yes. It is the fourth option is the 26th November. That is the Constitution Day. And we can also say Samvidhan Divas also. Or we can say Law Day also. Because these are three names will be given over there. Yes, now that fifth question is because, yes, I will read it because you read it taking a lot of time. Which body has permitted the Serum Institute of India to resume COVID-19 vaccine trials? Number 1, Drug Controller General of India. 2, Ministry of Health. 3, National Pharma Pricing Authority. And 4, Drug Bureau of India. Which body has permitted the Serum Institute of India to resume COVID-19 vaccine trials? Controlling body. I have given the hint also. Controlling body. Still you are not giving the answer.
Option 1.
See, when I say controlling the body,
Option 1.
immediately you have to say not taking that much time. Yes, it is option 1. Okay. Now next, which social media platform has launched a search prompt named "There is help to prevent suicide"? Is it a Facebook? Is it a TikTok? Is it a Twitter? It is a WeChat. Search prompt named "There is help." That is, they started the blog. It is a Twitter started such a blog. Okay, next. In which social media dash Supreme Court advocate Sri Prashant Bhushan, Chief Justice of India, riding on the high power motorbike in Nagpur? In which social media it is propagated? Yes, is it TikTok, Facebook, WeChat, Twitter? Even though it is wrong, you can shoot. No, sir, we are searching. It is Twitter. It is Twitter. It is made on June 29, Sri Prashant Bhushan tweet included a photo of the CJI, that is just a Bob Day, riding the Harley Davidson motorcycle. Harley Davidson motorcycle said CJI's rides a 50 lakhs motorcycle belonging to the BJP leader and at Rajbhavan Nagpur without a mask or helmet. At a time when he keeps the Supreme Court in lockdown mode, denying the citizen their fundamental right to access justice. Yes, because they may ask a supplementary question also. In which place that is Harley Davidson is stationed over there? You can say Nagpur in front of the Raj Bhavan. Yes, who riding at the time? It's Bob Day. Yes. And we tweeted it. It's Prashant Bhushan. How much penalty is given? 1 rupee penalty is given. And which judge is given? Sir, we don't know. Which Indian state announced that it would be the first to implement the National Education Policy NEP 2020? Yes, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Highly educated state.
Karnataka.
The state is highly literacy state. Now you tell me. Highly literacy state.
Option 2.
No. There is no Kerala. Is a Karnataka only. That there is no Karnataka. Kerala is there. Highly literacy state. It is a Karnataka only. The next option. Okay. Next, India has announced the USD 500 million assistance to which country for the largest civilian infrastructure project? Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Maldives, Nepal. USD 500 million assistance to which country for the largest civilian infrastructure project? Among the four, it's Maldives. India assisting. Yeah. The special Kisan rail carrying the 205 tons of the oranges was flagged off from Nagpur, which state or which union territory? Is it Karnataka? Is it New Delhi? Is it Arunachal Pradesh? Is it Orissa? Kisan rail carrying the 205 tons of the oranges and was flagged off from the Nagpur because Nagpur Santra. It is to New Delhi. I told you, when you don't know, Shoot it, even though it is wrong. But you are not following the.
Sir, option 3.
I already gave the answer. It's the New Delhi. Yes, low cost COVID-19 test unit, COVIRAP, which was approved ICMR, was developed by which institution? IIT Chennai, IIT Kharagpur, IIMS, or JIPMER? Low cost.
Sir, option 3.
Yes. Who manufactured? I say shoot it even though it is wrong. When you don't know, don't take time. Just shoot it.
Sir, option 3.
Option 2,
AIIMS.
Kharagpur.
Option 2.
Option 2, IIT Kharagpur. See, I am giving you the model. If you don't know it, use your sixth sense and shoot it. Don't take much time because time is very precious there. Time is very precious. And don't be behind one question. If you don't know, skip it. You go to the next. First, you try for all the easy question. Next, see the time. How much time would be there? If the thinking time is there, you think. If the no thinking time, use the sixth sense and shoot it. Here also, when you don't know it, you shoot it. Yeah. K9 journal, which was recently released, is associated with which field? Pharmacy, robotics, pandemic, or policing? K9 journal, which was recently released, is associated with which field? I say shoot it, but you are never following that. Fourth one, policing. I say we don't know it, then at the time shoot it without use the sixth sense and shoot it. The Indian government has set up a control room to control the spread of bird flu in which state or union territory? Karnataka, Delhi, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh. Shoot it.
Delhi.
Sir, option 2.
Delhi.
Delhi.
2, Delhi. Yes, now, which state has approved a bill to make a Bodo an associate official language of the state? Mizoram, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Sikkim. Shoot it, no matter. Even though
Mizoram.
yes,
Sir, option 4. Sikkim.
no, it is Assam, is a 2. 2 is the right answer. See, when you don't know, use the sixth sense and shoot. Doesn't matter because time saving is a very much important factor. Yes. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Drug and Pharmaceutical Limited located?
Sir, option 1. Hyderabad.
No, earlier is IDPL is there, now it is closed totally. I said headquarters.
Option 4.
I said headquarters. Goregaon. Earlier IDPL was there when you are going to the GD Metla at the time, but now it is very much closed with the Indian pharmaceutical company, but its headquarters is in Goregaon. Yes. Which organization is to commission of India's largest floating solar power plant at Telangana? NHPC, NTPC, REC, BHEL. Ramagundam. Now you tell me. I am giving the
Option
answer
2.
also to you. Option 2 is the right answer. Anandam, the Center for the Happiness, has been inaugurated at which institution? IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIM Jammu, IIT Guwahati. Anandam, the Center for Happiness, has been inaugurated at which institution? Among the 4. Shoot it. I say shoot it. You cannot shoot it, even though.
Option 2, sir.
Option 3 is the right option. IIM Jammu is the right option. Can you tell me what is IIM? Sir, Indian Institute of Medicine. When I say IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, at that IIM stands for what? Let me check it because we should not go unheard. दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाना अब. Yes, IIM Jammu. What is IIM? Anywhere it is given because it is not given. Full form is, he said IIM Jammu is there. Only then I have to
Indian
write.
Institute of Management.
That is, I also said
Right.
the same thing. I also say the
Right.
same thing, but I want the,
Indian
I
Institute
want the confirmation.
of Management.
I also said the same thing, but I want the confirmation. That is the Indian Institute of Management or the Institute of Management Education. Even though I know the answer, but the confirmation is
Okay,
very
sir.
important factor because we are not losing anything when you want to make the confirmation. That is a very important factor. Yes. Now let us go to where is the headquarter of the National Cadet Corps located? NCC. Tamil Nadu, New Delhi, Calcutta, Visakhapatnam. Yes.
Option 4, Visakhapatnam.
It is the New Delhi NCC headquarter. Paddy, sesame, tur means tuvar dal, udat, and become rare commodities sometimes in India. These are dash crops, rabi crops, kharif crops, zaid crops, none of the above. Paddy, sesame, tur, and udat. Rabi, kharif, zaid, and none of them. I say shoot. We don't shoot. Kharif crops, that is. That the Union Cabinet has approved and increased the minimum support of the MSP for the various Kharif crops, the summer sown crops. Kharif crop means summer sown crops or marketing. Yes, now cotton. Tell me, which type of the crop? Zaid crop, Kharif crop, Rabi crop, none of the above. I say shoot it.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2, Kharif crop. Now pulses on which type of crops? Kharif crops, Zaid crop, Rabi crop, none of the above.
Option 3, Rabi.
Option 3.
No, it's a Zaid crops are crops grown in the Kharif and Rabi season. Then it is a Zaid is the right answer. The chief crops of Kharif and Rabi. And examples are cucumber, pumpkin, bitter, watermelon, muskmelon, sugarcane, groundnuts, pulses. So pulses are Zaid crops. Pulses are Zaid crops. And what are the other names? Cucumber, pumpkin, bitter gourd, watermelon, muskmelon, sugarcane, groundnut. There are examples. Zaid crop examples. Yes. Yellow Gold 48, which was launched recently. Yes, now Yellow Gold 48, which was launched recently, is the first ever commercial variety of which crop? Apple, watermelon, custard apple, pomegranate. Shoot.
Water.
Watermelon. Your shooting is very nice. Now, do you know avocado? Is it a Zaid crop? Avocado. సార్ మేము వినలేదు సార్ అవకాడో అంటే
Sir, option 3, Zaid crop.
is none of the above. I think the right answer. See, this is avocado. Avocado mostly grown in the African continent. See, if you cut it, you will find that so much big seed, but the taste is సప్పసప్పగా ఉంటుంది ఎట్లా పపాయ తిరిగా. Okay, the avocado tree is grown from the seed produce fruit. Avocado is an unpretentious tropical fruit, that is a, and summer fruit, because tropical means summer fruit. Summer fruit means we can say it is a rabi crop fruit, and the genus processes. So the avocado tree belongs to the laurel family and is a tropical plant. So now none of the above it come because a tropical plant it is actually. Like mango is a tropical plant. So better you say if the option is given is a tropical plant, you write the tropical plant. And that is the right answer. If not that it is not given, say none of the above is the right answer. So that is avocado. You would have seen it. Have you seen the avocado in the photograph? Say yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
నేను జోక్ చెప్పి తర్వాత నేను చెప్పాలని నవ్వండి అని. ఆఫ్టర్ క్రాకింగ్ ద జోక్ ఐ హావ్ టు టెల్ దట్ ప్లీజ్ లాఫ్ నౌ. ఓకే. Osokwa, Raponda is appointed as the first woman prime minister of the which African country? Oh, so cool. Raponda is appointed as the first woman prime minister of which African country? Gabon, Tanzania, Nigeria, Kenya. Osaka.
Sir, option 3, Kenya, Nigeria.
No, it is a Gabon. Rose Christina Osaka has been appointed the first woman prime minister of the Central African country, Gabon. Central Africa, that is, the Gabonese. Yes, who is the first prime minister in India? Who is the first prime minister in India? Mamata Banerjee, Renuka Singh, Nirmala Sitaram, or Firoz Gandhi's spouse? Yes?
Sir, option 4,
Option 4.
Sir,
Firoz Gandhi's spouse means who? Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
Yes, parents are Kamala Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, and spouse is Firoz Gandhi, and he is a professional politician. And now Juba, town in the capital of which country? Juba is a town in the capital of which country? Nigeria, Algeria, South Sudan, Yemen. Yes. Shoot, if you don't know, shoot, I told you.
Sir,
Option
3,
4.
Option 3, it is a South Sudan. Zuba town, capital of the South Sudan, it is a river port on the west bank of Baharul Jabal, Mountain Nile. Baharul Jabal, Mountain Nile, about 87 miles, 140 kilometers from South Bore. Yes, Indian Prime Minister would join the 50th Independence Day celebration of which country? Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is the right answer. I already gave the feedback there. At least by looking
But I
at the answer. Okay, WHO అంటే ఏంటిదండి?
World Health Organization.
I appreciate.
World Health
Health
Organization.
targeted.
appreciate. Yes. Where is located? Sir, అది మాకు తెలియదు సార్. Yes, WHO has announced a set of global center for the traditional medicine in which country? Global Center for Traditional
China.
Medicine. Nepal, China,
Sir, option
India,
3, India.
China.
India. The World Health Organization
Sir, option 3, India.
it will set up a global center for the traditional medicine in India. The announcement is made by the WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. This new center would enable WHO to implement the WHO traditional medicine strategy. World Health Organization headquarters in which place and country? Washington DC, USA. Geneva, Switzerland. The Hague, Netherlands. Paris, France. Shoot.
Option 2.
Option 2, Geneva is the Switzerland and is headquartered Geneva, Switzerland with a semi-autonomous regional offices, 150 fields offices worldwide. It meets annually, usually in May. The WHO was established in the Constitution on the 7th April 1948, which is commemorated as the World Health Day. Next, International Court of Justice is situated in which place and
Option
country?
2. Correct.
Option
Take, sir.
2.
Option 2.
The Hague,
Option 2.
Netherlands. And which place? In which building? Plaza Palace. Okay, this is the Peace Palace, not Plaza Palace. Peace Palace. The seat of the court is the Peace Palace in the Hague, Netherlands. Of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations, it is the only one not located in the New York, that is the United States of America. Because the 6 organs, everybody is in New York except this International Court of Justice, ICJ. Then the WHO is not the international organization only, but is not the one of it, because that is the reason it is there in the Geneva. The rest of the things are in the New York. Yes. How many organs of the UN New York? USA, 4 or 5 or 6, none of the above. There are how many organs total?
Sir, option
Total
5.
6 organs are
Option
there.
2, 5, sir.
Five are there in the New York. Only one is there. ICJ is in the Hague, Netherlands. The United Nations has the 6 main organs. 5 of them is General Assembly, that is the number 1. Number 2, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council. 3, Trusteeship Council and Secretariat based on headquarters New York. ICJ is the only one located in the New York, that is outside, that is the Hague, Netherlands. Quad is a group of 4 countries: India, United States, Japan, and what is the next country? Yes. Quad is a group of 4 countries: India, United States, Japan, and dash Russia, Australia,
Australia.
Canada, South Africa.
Australia.
Australia is the right answer. Quad is consisting of these countries. Yeah, External Affairs Shankar participation in the virtual ministerial meeting, the Quad, which is a group of the 4 countries: India, United States, Japan, and Australia. The Quad Association was revived in the year 2017 to tackle the aggression of the China and enhance the strength of the Indo-Pacific region. And President Joe Biden has reiterated the US commitment for the same issue. Yes. What is the heart of Canada? Thank God you did not ask what is the liver of Canada. Generally, we say heart of Canada.
Sir, option 1, Toronto.
It is the answer is
Option 3.
Manitoba. Manitoba is the heart of Canada. And the heart of the Canada, located in the heart of the Canada, Manitoba is an exciting place in live, learn, and explore. Live, learn, and explore. Manitoba is known for its pristine nature and beautiful landscape, vibrant culture, and friendly people. Manitoba is the heart of the Canada. 33. The Zulu tribe, which was making news recently, belong to which country? Zulu is a tribe, very big tribe in the country. Tanzania, South Africa, Kenya, Uganda.
Uganda.
South
That's a
Africa.
country which produces a lot of gold. Earlier, our passport will say you can travel any country except that the stamp is there. You can travel to any country except there is a stamp on the passport, it is there. Mahatma Gandhi, where we went?
Uganda.
Mahatma Gandhi, where he went?
South Africa.
South Africa.
South Africa.
The Zulu people are the largest ethnic group, South Africa, with an estimated 100 to 12 million people would be there, Zulu people. Yes, 34 question. Ngorongoro crater, in which place or country dash once a gigantic volcano, is the largest intact caldera in the world. It is a big caldera in the world. Automatically, it is made. Nobody has made that thing because volcano eruption was there. Then the crater is made. It's naturally, and which crater it is there, and that its name is Ngorongoro. That is near Arusha, northern Tanzania, or near Nairobi, Kenya, near Entebbe, Uganda, near Kigali, Rwanda. I told you that hint. I worked in that country.
Option 1,
Sir,
sir.
option
Tanzania.
3, sir.
One that is near Arusha, northern Tanzania. If you get the time, please visit the Tanzania because you could see the natural parts. You can see the lion just walking by the our side of the car. Okay, let us come to the not. Yes, there is no tigers there. Yes, Ngorongoro is in Tanzania. Ngorongoro crater is in northern Tanzania near Arusha. Once a gigantic volcano is the largest intact caldera in the world. In this caldera, in the Ngorongoro crater, you could see everything except giraffe. You could not see giraffe there. But in other parts, you can see giraffe, but in this, you cannot see the giraffe. But all animals you could see, but we can go only by the jeep only. Yes. Now, 35th question is lake dash largest in Africa and the second largest in the world. I repeat, lake, that is a freshwater lake. This is lake dash largest in Africa and the second largest in the world. Lake Victoria, that is, covers a gigantic area of the 26,600 square miles and has a coastline that runs over the 2,000 miles around the 3 countries. What are those 3 countries? I mentioned there: Tanzania, Rwanda, Uganda. Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda. Kenya, Burundi, Tanzania. Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya. Yes.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2 is the right answer. Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. I have seen all the places except Burundi. Because I went to the Rwanda, I went to the Uganda, I went to the Kenya, I went to the Tanzania as an external examiner. Yes, not boasting. It's a true. The fact I am giving you. Military officer Idi Amin belongs to which country? Everybody knows because we have studied. People say that he is a man-eater. No, that is the wrong concept. Military officer Idi Amin belongs to which country? At present, I am working over there. I'm going to work over there. It's a hint.
Sir, option 2, Tanzania.
No, Uganda. Military officer Idi Amin belongs to Uganda. That is Idi Amin Dada. We say Dada, they will say Dada. Idi Amin Dada Ume, that is was a Ugandan military officer who served as the president of Uganda from 1971 to 1979. That is, but whenever I go to there, please don't think in otherwise. I will say that actually Idi Amin he doesn't know much English. But once he was addressing in the English, it is very funny thing it has happened over there. Because he wants to say that before I could start my lecture, my speech, because Margaret Thatcher came over there. The Princess Margaret Thatcher was there. So he said, before I could start my speech, but he doesn't know English, please take it in a sportive manner. Don't take it in a different sense. Before I could start my speech, let me remove my testicles. But that fellow doesn't know. Instead of saying spectacles, that he used the word another word. So generally that he used to say this a famous joke when I was teaching, not myself, in the local people also will give the such a thing. If you don't use it appropriate word in a particular place, then things will go astray. Every people laughed over there because spectacles are different and testicles are different. So he is supposed to say spectacles. That is the Idi Amin joke. Generally, that will be very much famous either in the Kenya and Uganda or Tanzania, and everybody knows this. If you don't use the right word in the right place, and everything will become mesh. I don't know whether you got my point or not. But I presume that you got my point. That any time it will be stopped over there, before it could stop, let me try at least 37th question, or if you want to ask anything, you can ask me, because total 50 questions are there. It's more than 50 are there, I prepared, and we'll finish it in the evening. But you give me the suggestion, when should I make the mock test to you? Today. Mock test to you. If you desire it. If you don't desire it, okay, we'll continue in the 5 to 5:50, the rest of thing which I prepared over there, and we will deal it.